Hello friends, how are you? Please comment section and tell me. Today, Google Pixel 4a recommended to be priced and specifications. Google Pixel 4a was earlier recommended launched at $399 Indian currency price of 30,200. But now a new report suggests that the phone may be debuted at an even lower pricing. The $399 price the tag would have placed it exactly in the same segment as the new iPhone SE 2020, but now it seems like Google wants to undercut Apple by offering an even cheaper smartphone. That is, if the reports are true. The Pixel 4a is accepted to be priced at $349. The 128GB variant, as per the Alphabet Scope podcast by 9 to 5 Google and a Twitter post by one of the hosts. The Pixel 4a is accepted to be priced at $349. Total Indian currency was 26,400 rupees for the 128GB model. To recall, Pixel 4a was earlier promoted to be priced starting at $399, roughly 30,200. During the discussion in the product podcast, it was also pointed out that there might two color options, but only one storage variant that will be 128GB. This new development seems to negate previous reports that suggests there might be 64GB and 128GB storage variant of the Pixel 4a. Additionally, a report by GSMA Arna states that there might in fact be 64GB variant that will be priced even lower at $299. Roughly Indian currency is 22,600. Since there has been no official word on the specifications, this should be taken with a pinch of salt. The Google Pixel 4a is expected to be unveiled at the Android 11 beta launch scheduled for June 3, but as of now, Google has not given any confirmation about it. Notably, it said that at the event it will announce a whole bunch of other stuff we are not ready to tell you about yet, followed by Grefo channel. Google Pixel 4a display. Google Pixel 4a mobile display 5.81 inches, front camera 8 megapixel, rear camera 12.2 megapixel, RAM 6GB RAM, storage variant 64GB storage variant, battery capacity 3080 mAh battery. Google Pixel OS Android 10, resolution 1080p int 2340 pixel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.